Hello everyone, hello. It's your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that if I put more videos, you will be the first to be notified. If you have subscribed here before, thank you. God bless you. My people, I want to talk about this man. I want to do the part two because this man will be my wife for America. I want to do the part two because that day, when I do some people can't call me, they can't give me the real story, the real gist. I it really like happen. Say, Mama, don't be the way you just talk and so now it's okay. Now I can't really see the prove everything. You know. This woman, your own, it did your body really. But one around say make the man come measure. You understand? So this man, he bring this woman from Nigeria, from a village. When the woman they beg am say bring me come Europe now, bring me come now the man say bring her come America, my people. So you come America finish, you come put it for school, you come to do school of nursing. Now she come feel say she don't dey on top of the world. She begin to do the man anyhow. She begin to treat the man as he like. I go even play one video for her where she for the even they attack the mama of the boy. We say he must come up for this house. Like seriously? Video when the man the video the man come the video ram. If you see the way they able to talk to the boy mama, una go shocked her lies. When I see the thing, I was like really? What do you enter this woman mind like this? Okay, you where they do this kind of thing to your mother in-law. He? I said the thing shocked me when I see am. She stay for door. He said no go gree make the woman pass. She dey even call police. He say make police come. Say police must come drive the mama of the boy. He said make him come drive the boy mama and the boy so that more or less she and the pikin stay the house because she don't get where she dey go. Like seriously? You where they bring from village, you just come your day on top of the world. This woman they drag, you say la. So they say the man, he don't take away this woman don't they treat this man. Any small thing go call police for the man. Even when he go call police, he lie say the boy they beat him. And the boy not even beat him. The man not even beat him, just only the video. He can't even they lie. Say the man they beat him since. Eh? Why I they do this video again? My people I beg. Maybe they behave well. Make we not the feel say we don't arrive because you don't carry you come now. Eh? Okay, this man bring you come from Africa now bad thing too. Why I be say for now don't come finish some of una will come change. Una character go come be the highest. Una will come feel so now don't arrive. Nobody fit talk to una again. Like seriously? Like seriously? When I see the video by people, I shocked her lies. I shocked her lies really. Which they put life for the man head. Now so many women say they put life for their man head to say he beat them, whereas he not beat them. Because this one na very big evidence. Very, very big one. Eh? That is a man play a monarchy. I'm not be waiting that they even see. Now see the way she take cross her leg. Stay for door. After I don't call police. He stay for door. I don't know whether I'm going to see him where. But I will still do live video for this station.
I don't feel safe.
Now they hear.
I'm in a domestic abuse situation. 912 Lakeshore Drive.
See where they call police.
So. It's a house. I have a daughter. I have an 18-month-old daughter. I'm with her dad and his mom. I feel threatened. I don't feel safe here.
Okay. Now they see him.
No, the mom. The father's mom. Yeah, she needs to leave. I don't feel safe in this apartment. I'm not going to leave. I'm not going to go anywhere because I don't have anywhere to go with my baby. And I need to stay in this apartment. She needs to leave.
Now they hear.
The child's father's mom. Thank you.
Ngozi.
Una dey see her wey she dey call police for her.
We get problem for us. I don't call 911. Call Ngozi.
Na the man dey talk so.
Yeah, call Ngozi or call lawyer. Call Onyeko. Onyeko.
Una dey see her.
Ngozi.
More than just dey hear the voice because I don't feel play the. I don't feel hold am. More than just dey hear the voice. When the woman dey call police, say all because say he say no want the mama may stay the house. He say the mama must comot. He say the mama no fit stay the house lie. He say the mama must comot. He get at the time when she even stay for door, they drag say the man lie. He stay for door. He say no go gree make the man mama pass. Don't stay for door. They if you see what this woman do, I shocked her life really. Your man bring you come. Now what are you gonna do? That be this one? See, where they shout for the boy mama. Go see the boy mama. He stay for door. See, he stay for door. He say no go green me pass lie.
You will have to push me to get through the door.
Okay. He say no go green me pass lie. Una dey see her. He say no go gree lie make the boy mama pass. He stay for door because they don't call police. Make police control the woman. Go outside. See her. Go see the boy mama for go see the boy mama. He don't gree me pass door. And the boy mama sit down for inside so. She not say for door, she sit down. She stay for door. He say no go gree make the woman pass. Until where police go call. I even will not see cloth. Now she even wear herself. When they see the way some women say they wicked for Europe, when they see them. See them. He say no go gree. You see her? The boy not touch am o. The guy say my hands are up. He not beat am o. He not beat am o. He not beat this woman. Lie. See her? You see her? He not beat am o. He not beat am at all. You see her? You know the hear when the man they say my hands are up because he not beat am. He not beat this woman. She just dey lie. He just dey call police. Say make police come comot the mama for the house. Not be say the man even beat am. The man not beat am. No beat in the ear at all. He stay for door. They drag the woman. See am. They push the woman. He said the woman don't go pass today. What police go come? You see her? Una dey see am. When the man they say my hands are up because he not beat am. Any beat he not day. He not beat this woman.
My hands are up.
Now wow. Now wow really. For some women. See am. She stayed door. See am. He say no go gree make the woman pass lie. He say no go gree make the woman pass. He say no go gree lie. When I see what some women they do for Europe. So now what he push this man? When the man take do what he do, the man say don't frustrate her. If he want even use money, he will take permission from her. He frustrates the woman, the man not gonna get option when they come that day with frustration. Begin they beat him when they say shoot him. Because he said the what did this woman don't do him, the thing don't too much. The thing don't reach him here. He not coffee bear him again. You know, but if you not take that action when they come take, now then if you can spoil everything. See, huh? Okay. See, huh? 67 years old, the mama. Stay door. You see, huh? Okay. If I say that your mama be this one now.
You're not my wife. You're not my wife. You're my baby mother.
Okay.
You're not my wife. This is my house. This is my
Okay.
house.
You say your mom need to leave this house. You say your mom need to leave this house. When they see the matter, my people. So now the end, the night police come. You know, the end, the night police come. So what did this woman do, my people? Now good thing. Now good thing when you say the mama must come up for that house. What did the mama do you? What did he do you? Eh? What did he do you? Now this mother-in-law matter, that person cause problem that day for Facebook or for YouTube or everywhere. Eh? Why I be say some people not they want me mother-in-law even talk to them or if may even near them at all? You know good now. You too go see the mother-in-law later. Eh? Okay, see the way you come to end now. You don't make this man and I go. The man don't measure now. Eh? So now video what I've do before. You're not there again now to even come defend yourself. Nothing. The man now does still go. And then the thing just come tire me. The man took me himself. Eh? The man at the end, the payment himself, my people. Look at that video, I don't plan and finish. Where they're going to shoot gun. The payment himself. Eh? The payment himself. Because he said before they go come, you know go fit again, go payment himself. So my place more for that one more see where when no say that the man I call police by himself. Now he call police, now he cause he shoot payment himself. So maybe we see the before we go to take some decision, maybe we see the reason what we want to really. The video don't play game, my people. So that the story way up will not be that one, my people. So I say I can't correct the part where I not correct way. So people get where they take the vest their own vest. Maybe the way the man if say the thing utter way now he carry gun, but if you don't come take law into his hands, now therefore can't spoil everything. They are picking now. She be you don't leave picking. Even the mama now, it doesn't lose picking. Their mama, the both of them don't lose their picking. Eh? So this hot temper, we will see the control and sometimes. I don't know what the woman do, not good, but you for not just go far like that, this man. You for not go far. So now just advice to people who be say that they bring their wife come, I beg. Make the women more not going to change. Eh? It's not easy for man to bring you come Europe. Oh. It's not easy. So people tell you see the pass for this Europe, you go shock talize. It's not easy. So when Mona say they respect them, they deserve that respect from Mona. Really. Thank you everybody. Take care till I come your way next time again. I remember your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe so that you go to hear many news when they come out for you. So my people, so anything you think about this video, you can leave your comments for the comment section. What the woman do not agree with me, mother-in-law stay house. And when they disrespect the mother-in-law. So anything where you think if she do well or she not doing well, still leave your comment. Thank you and share this video for me. 1 or 2 person might pick sense from this video. Thank you. Bye.